I friggin' love purple.
Don't you bite, just tie me up in case I bite, I'm venomous.
Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can see from the title of my video, we are going to be playing with the new Jeffree Star Blood Lust collection. I love purple. I love me some freaking purple. So I was psyched when I saw this came out. I love the blue blood. I like the red one. Blood sugar, oh my god. I love the red one, but I feel like I play on the cooler eyeshadow side more. And I don't really know if purple falls on the cool side, right? Yeah, because like blue, well, it's a mix of red. But yeah, I love purple, so this is going to be a super fun collection to play with today. We're going to do a full look using the Bloodlust eyeshadow palette, and then I got the lip thing. Oh, well, I went to Morphe today, and let's see what I got, okay? So first, I got this. Ooh, some freaking lips. Yeah, so I love these lip colors. I don't know which one I want to put on for today's video. I guess we'll see when the eye is done, but we'll come back to this. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the bundle. It's the Mini Velour Liquid Lip Set. This set includes Royal Armor, I'm Vulgar, I'm Royalty, Scorpio, Virginity, Blow Pony Clout, and Brizon Ice. Also, to do my makeup today, I got this mirror. Oh, I look so rough up close. Now let's just jump right into the fun shit. I got the Bloodlust Artistry palette. This is so pretty. Obviously, the packaging is bomb. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm not gonna do swatches. Y'all can go do a swatch. We're not gonna do swatches. Y'all can go for another video for swatches. I don't do that shit. I think it's boring. You can see the colors. You know what I mean? This isn't a catalog. This is not QVC, sweetie. So it's got this little ball in the front and ooh, look at that. And then he did address that there's plastic. I don't really care. Just protect the eyeshadows. And then on the mirror as well. So pretty. Immediately, my eyes are drawn to, I don't know. I love, obviously, Blood Queen. This reminds me of that purple from the Jawbreaker palette, which is lit. Oh, I love, but I pretty much like them all. I actually will say, when I first saw the palette online, I wasn't like gagged. I almost didn't buy it. I was like,
I didn't get sent PR, so.
I never do. But anyway, I was like, do I really need this? But I will say, I do like it better in person. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this palette. Now today's look will be a look inspired by the look that Mitchell did on Jeffree in one of his release videos. I thought that look was bomb. Obviously I put some eyebrows on, so I will be having eyebrows because I also have a show tonight, so
TikTok.
But yeah, so we're gonna be diving into this palette. I'm super excited. Let's just do it. So the first color I'm gonna tap into is obviously the deeper purple in the palette, Blood Queen, and we're just gonna put that all in the crease. You know what I want this eyeshadow palette to make me feel like? I want it to make me feel like bomb. Like, you know, like when sometimes like you do your makeup and you're like, all right, I have makeup on. Like, I want to finish this look and be like, damn. You know? So sometimes purples are hard, like the formula, but this purple's blending out pretty nicely. My neighbor's like pulling a trash can outside and he's real loud. Excuse me. I'm not really getting any fallout, so that's good. Yeah. Looks gold. And I did prime my eyelids with the P. Louise base in shade 2. And I truly do feel like that P. Louise base actually does help the eyeshadows kind of become more vibrant, stick, and blend. Stick, but blend. It's my new drag name. Stick 'em blend, sweetie. Bitch, I just like this. Now to blend this out, we're just gonna kind of rim, if you will, the upper half of this with Vivid Mood, that light purple. It's a lot darker than I thought it would be. But so far, so good. This color isn't what I thought it was gonna look like. I thought it was gonna be like more of like a blend out shade, but I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of just like Vivid Mood almost just seems like a chalkier version of Blood Queen. I'm gonna go back in with that color Blood Queen, the first one I used, and just really stamp that in the outer corner just to kind of get a little bit more va-va-voom. We just want to bring some of that color back. I almost think putting that Vivid Mood on it was the opposite of vivid. It kind of dulled it down, you know what I mean? I want this to like guaranteed stain my eyeballs. All right, now that we got that re-stamped on that edge, I think that's pretty good. It's definitely way more purple. Now using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna tap into Royal Pain, that like blushy tone, and we're just gonna kind of really smoke out the side. The shade's really pretty. It reminds me of the shade in this one Anastasia palette that I had. I think it was called Love. I'm just gonna take that same brush that I had Blood Queen on and just blend out a little. Yummy!
Alright, I'm glad I bought this palette.
Blood Queen, I don't know if it's just my application, but Blood Queen can get a little patchy-ish sparks. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star concealer in 0, and we're just gonna cut out and carve the lid. Now we're just gonna take the same brush with whatever purple Gigarama is left over and just blend out this edge. And then one more time for vibrancy purposes, I'm gonna tap back into Blood Queen one more time and just hit that right schmear. Splendora. Now I'm just gonna go back in with a bit more of this white concealer on a brush and, you know, just carve out the brow. Oh my God, I did not breathe. Oh shit. Now we're gonna hit the inner corner with the shadow, and we're gonna be using the color Take the Crown. And it's this really, really pretty kind of like metallic lavender. Oh, okay. Hello.
So did you want to be pretty or...
Oh my God, this is so pretty. Call me crazy, I don't know. This color is kind of making my eyes sting. Well, that's that, and that is so pretty. Now the next color we're gonna move on to is gonna be on the lid right here, and we're gonna use the shade Pink Magic. Now, they said to use your finger. Oh, and speaking of fingers, shout out to my nail polish collection with Loud Lacquer. I will link it up here. If you guys are interested, please go ahead and snag your Ariel Versace X Loud Lacquer How to Be Fabulous bundle. You can get this color. This is the color Plastic. And they are an amazing, cruelty-free, free AF, meaning they're vegan, cruelty-free nail polish brand. And also at the end of the video, I will be doing a giveaway. So stick around so you can see how to get yourself an Ariel Versace X Loud bundle. So we're now gonna tap into the color Pink Magic with our finger, and then we'll blend it out with a brush later, but I just want to see how it packs on with your finger. All right, so we got that right there on our finger. Well, hello, McFly. Oh, wow.
Holy patoots.
That is so pretty. Damn, that is so pretty. Y'all see that? Now we're just gonna go back in with this brush and blend it out. Pick up a little bit more product. Yeah, this one's definitely best applied with your finger at first because it's a little bit more top coaty, if that makes sense. Like even when I pick some up with the brush, it's kind of just like, it's not really distributing color, it's just like moving it. Now we want to spark up this inner corner a little bit more, so I'm going to take some of that shade Wet Jewel, that really light baby sparkly pink, and put it right in the inner corner. Oh baby girl.
Yeah, these shades are burning my eyes.
Burning my eyes continues to put them on. It's fine.
YOLO!
And that just kind of gave it like an extra little sparky spark. Hey Siri, play Sparks by Hilary Duff.
Sparks by Hilary Duff now playing.
Now we're gonna go ahead in with the color Vile Serpent, which is a really sexy color, and we're just gonna use that to line the lash line like they did in the video, but I'm gonna go ahead in with a cream base myself, just to kind of prep. Need something a little bit tighter, sweetie. The contrast in this is killer. Now to set this really fast before I move on to the other side, we're gonna go ahead and tap into Vile Serpent now and just kind of set this liner. That is hot. Now we're just gonna quickly go ahead and repeat that on the other side. By the way, this little cream palette that I used for Halloween is just gonna be my little base for that. I got it on Amazon. It was like 12 bucks. And then again, we're just gonna set this side with Vile Serpent. I can't stop thinking of the basilisk from Harry Potter. Basilisk! This part. All right, that's really cool. I never do like another colored liner besides blank. Now we're gonna go in with the shades Dungeon and Vile Serpent mixed together, and we're just gonna use that to smoke out the outer corner. And don't be afraid to tap back into Blood Queen to, you know, to blend all that out a little bit more. You're literally trying to mix purple and green, so go off. Why are my hands so sweaty? All right, you're gonna repeat that over here. Ooh, that definitely smoked it out. Yummy. Remember when I said I wanted today's look to be like, bam, like really nice? I think we're getting there. I think we're almost there because I'm loving this. Now we're gonna move on down to our lower lash line and we're gonna tap back into that shade Blood Queen. But first I'm gonna put down a little base just to give something for the eyeshadow to really grab onto. And as I said, we're now gonna press Blood Queen right against that lash line. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go back in that color Vivid Mood and we're just gonna blend out that bottom. This is just the gig. Now the last thing we're gonna really do with this shadow for this eye look to really pump it up, we're gonna now take the color High King right down the center like they did in the video, and we're just gonna kind of drag it downward just in the very center. So it's a little clowny, a little Joker-esque. Now I want to dull this out just a bit, so I'm just going to go back in with my highlighting brush. We're just going to kind of run that over, blend it in. Now for the love of God, let's get some mascara on these lashes. I haven't been like this in love with the look in a while. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on our lip, and I'm gonna be using the shade Starfish from Anastasia. I know I got the bundle, we're gonna tap into that in a second, but I kind of just wanna line my lips with a nude. Now I think I want to take this color what about Virginity? Okay, I'm just curious as to what this color Virginity looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that in the center. It's like very light. I love how this is the one that I chose out of the bundle, like the most boring. Oh, I don't think I'll call this neutral. I either want to go in with Royal Armor or Clout as like a topper. We're gonna go with Clout. All right. No. All right, so. All right, so we're gonna go back to Starfish. Yeah, okay, way better. And now we're just gonna add a little glossy gloss in the center in the shade Amber. Yeah, that's much better. So now we're gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna tap into the shade Beauty Sleep in the palette, and we're gonna see what she does. All right, bitch. And just to see what it looks like, I'm gonna tap into that shade Wet Jewel and put that right in the center. Ooh. Bitch. Little button-nosed eye, little dear. So I want like a little blush. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is tap into the color Royal Pain and just use that as a little blush. We're just kind of using this palette for everything. Take it up really high. This look is it. All right, guys, well, that about wraps up the makeup portion of the Bloodlust collection walkthrough tutorial makeup gigorama. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my contacts, my lashes, and my final looks, and let's get a little lust for blood. Alright guys, well that about wraps up my transformation with the new Jeffree Star Blood Lust palette and collection. I got some of the pieces I didn't use at all. The lips are good, they're cute. I would just say go for the palette, and if you are a collector of the mirrors, get the mirror, but definitely get the palette. At first, I didn't think I wanted it, but I really like it. I love how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like my Bloodlust inspired wig. Now to my giveaway. If you guys are interested in picking up an Ariel Versace X Loud Lacquer bundle, all I need you guys to do is comment below which is your favorite polish of the collection. Now, is it Party Animal, Rat, Tati, or Plastic? Comment down below which one is your favorite and why you should be the winner of the giveaway, and I will select one of you guys and you will win one of these and an Ariel Versace sticker. Yes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was informative and you love this transformation. And if you guys are not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting new videos. And as always, yes.
On top, don't you bite, just tie